like itching to do this color. Morning guys, today is officially the first day that they have pumpkin at Starbucks and I'm so excited. I'm leaving my apartment right now. I'm gonna go grab some Starbucks for my girlfriend and I, and then later on I have a lot to do today. The main thing I'm gonna do is make a pumpkin bread, so stay tuned for that. That'll be later in the video. My girlfriend and I still have to go to ShopRite and get a couple of the ingredients like brown sugar and stuff like that. But later on, I have to go to Ulta, I have to do an exchange, and I want to get something that's a little more like a plummy color for my blush. I like that also in the fall. And then I'm celebrating my friend's birthday on Friday, so we are going to do a book club and just make it like a celebration for her. So I have to get a card for her. I also am going to do my nails today, and I'm going to work out. But I'm not going to do a fall color yet. I want to do a light brown, but something in me, it's like itching to do this color. I just want to do this color one time, and then I'll go into my fall colors. Because it is still warm out, but it feels like the perfect day. You could definitely put a light jacket on today, especially right now. Maybe it'll get warmer later in the day, but you could definitely have a light jacket on right now and just be comfortable. I hit the jackpot at TJ Maxx the other day. I'll show you guys what I got. Just a bunch of like brown and cream tops and everything like that, and I got a cute sweater vest. I'm so happy that sweater vests are kind of like back in, because now I can kind of see how you can style it nicely. I feel like it always helps me when things are just back in style, because it'll just help me kind of like have the vision. I don't really care if like everyone's wearing it. I've never really been like that. I'll wear it just because I like it. I'll wear it if it's 10 years old. I'll wear it if I got it from Shein. Like, I don't care. But for the most part, when you guys see my fall clothing haul, it's pretty much all going to be from like Shein and Amazon and TJ Maxx. I just want to be comfy and cute and spend a decent price on it. So heading to Starbucks to get my first pumpkin drink of the season. Can you guys guess what I got? I'm so excited. Okay, I had a horrible angle for my last clip, so I have to refilm that all over again. Basically, what I got from Ulta, a couple things. I got the shampoo and conditioner for a crazy deal. It was 2 for $34, so basically like half off, because I think one of these is like $30. And I got 2 conditioners by mistake. I don't know how I did that, but I did it by accident, so I just exchanged for the shampoo. So I have the shampoo and conditioner. And then I got this Saltaire AHA serum deodorant. I'm so picky with my deodorants because I just use a gel one and that usually is fine. I just tend to notice that with certain deodorants, especially like the creamier ones or the thicker ones, or the spray ones, that when I try to scrub it off, it doesn't come off fully. So I feel like bacteria just kind of builds, and then I feel like I stink the next day, and because it's just, I'm not getting the previous stuff off from the last day. So I'm gonna try this one and see. I think it's supposed to be one of the healthier deodorants. It was only $12.99, which I know for a deodorant is like, everyone's like, that's a lot of money, but at the end of the day, I'm just gonna use this and see how it is and kind of go from there. And it looks really pretty, honestly, with my new bag. Then I bought this cheek trio from Morphe for my clients. This will look really good on you if you're tan to deeper skin tones, especially this one up here will look beautiful on some deeper skin tones. Such a pretty berry color. And I got this cream blush by Fenty Beauty in the shade Riri. It's so pretty. I put a little bit on my cheeks. I don't know if you guys can tell. I had some blush already on, but it's just such a pretty color. And I already have a little powder on, so it's like not blending perfectly, but when I don't have powder on, this will blend so nicely. But it's such a nice color for my skin tone, and I love it. I'm going to go pick up my girlfriend, and we're going to go to ShopRite. I have to get some ingredients for a pumpkin bread. I think I just need brown sugar and possibly pumpkin spice seasoning. I think that's it. And then she wants to get some stuff for dinner tonight. I'm not sure exactly what we're making, but we'll get some stuff for that whenever we decide what we're going to get. And I want to make another banana bread, so I need some bananas that are kind of like going out already. I usually just go in the banana section and hope that there's some bananas that are kind of already ripe. So like hopefully by tomorrow I can make the banana bread. Maybe tomorrow or Thursday I can make it, and so I can bring it to my coworkers. I'd also like to bring my mom a loaf, so we'll see about that. I'm gonna go do that, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
It is not
Added the brown sugar streusel on top. That looks delicious. And here's the banana bread. It's at 350. I'm about to put the bowl in right now.